Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Infiniti Q50 with the key. First, ensure your key fob is present in the vehicle. Then, insert the key fob into the designated slot, usually found near the steering column. With the key in place, firmly press the brake pedal. Finally, push the engine start/stop button to ignite the engine. This process is straightforward for a standard start. If your key fob battery is low or dead, you can still start your Q50. Simply place the key fob directly against the engine start/stop button. While holding the fob there, firmly press the brake pedal with your foot. Then, push the engine start/stop button as you normally would. The car's system will detect the keys chip, allowing the engine to start even without battery power in the fob. Your Infiniti Q50 key fob also contains an emergency key blade. This is useful if the car battery is dead and you cannot unlock the doors remotely. Slide the small release on the fob to extract the metal key. Use this blade to manually unlock the driver's side door. Once inside, you can proceed with the low battery starting method if the key fob itself is the issue. For optimal performance, always keep a spare key fob in a safe place. It's also a good practice to replace your key fob battery every 1 to 2 years to avoid unexpected issues. If you encounter persistent starting problems, consult your Infiniti Q50 owner's manual or contact a certified dealership for assistance. Regular maintenance ensures a smooth driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.